Hi, this is Mr. Roche, and we're working with Eclipse, and we're going to push on to do more work with our first application. Right now we're loading Eclipse. I'm running Luna. Yours is going to be a little bit different, but I'm just getting it to load. Okay, and we're looking at the window for Eclipse here. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a little bit more of an advanced picture. So what I wanted to do is right now we have something that just says, hi there, this is my first page. And I wanted to give a little bit more of the story of my life. I wanted to say, hey, this is the story of my life. My name's Chris, that's me. I grew up in Pittsburgh, PA. I love to play hockey. I love the Penguins. And I wanted to draw like a little picture. I wanted to show you how I would change the program right now to do something like that. So what we've been working with is, let me get rid of this stuff here for a second. We've been working with the system out print line, and basically what we have right now is something that goes like this. So if you print it, you run it, it just shows up with one line. If you want to make another line, you just go like this. The magical thing is that there's this command that gets to the system. So it calls up a system object called system. And inside that object, there's a thing called output, which we like. And see how this is trying to like tell you and help you? Every time you use a dot, it's going to add certain things. So see, I'm going to say print line here. Okay. And if I do that, I think I spelled system out or something like that. No, it's okay. What it's going to do is it's going to, you know, it's going to add a line. So I'm going to say this is the story of my life. Okay. And if I run it, it's going to go like this. And now print out two lines. See? Okay. Now, if I want a space in between them, I can go like this. There's a bunch of different ways to do this, but this is one way to do it. One basic way. It's just to keep doing this. And just go like this. Print line means that there's an extra line printed. Okay? And even if there's spaces in between here, it'll print like only according to how you say. So see how there's like one line here? Okay, and if I move these guys back, this will still be the same. Okay. Now, so what you want to do is just kind of keep using this, and you can actually just copy this then, and you know, go with what we said before. I was born in Pittsburgh. Okay. I love hockey. I live to play hockey. Stuff like that. Okay. So when I get a couple facts about you, you can always include your favorite ice cream. And what I want also is, and notice here like there's an error because I haven't put a semicolon, which is needed on all the lines in Java programs. Mine's chocolate peanut butter. My favorite, all-time favorite. And then here's another thing. Here's how you make a comment. Okay, so see this line up here that says to do auto-generated sub. The computer generated that for you. You can pull it out, but you can go here is a picture. Okay, and then anything you write after those two lines is a what's called a comment. Okay, you can make a big comment by going like this. Is a big multi-line comment. So that's how you make comments, okay? So these things the computer kind of ignores, and they're a way for humans to kind of understand what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making a picture. And I was trying to make me. So I started off by this. You still have to do this business. and I took a couple of these, and I just started making a picture. So this is like the top of my head, and you guys can't make fun of me. And here's like, actually make this a little bigger. So it looks like that so far. I'm just kind of doing it for evenness sake. Okay, and mine goes on and on. But what I want you to do is I want you to tell me your life story and give me a bit of a picture of yourself, okay? And use the command lines to do this. It took me, I don't know, maybe 6 minutes of work to get where we are so far. But I'm going to keep working, and I'm going to end up with a nice picture. I'm almost done, really. Just by copying and pasting. Whoa. There, like that. And then I just need like a kind of a smile and an end part. So I think you guys can get this done by tomorrow. This is like, yeah, I'll put it like a mouth. And use your imagination. The cool people who have the coolest faces will, of course, be considered the coolest. So there you go. And, good luck and happy programming.